The drone industry has been chasing a singular, elusive ghost for years, the perfect balance of portability and professional-grade performance. We have seen countless iterations, incremental upgrades, and minor sensor bumps, but everything before this moment has felt like a compromise. You either sacrificed image quality for a smaller frame, or you hauled around heavy gear that killed your mobility. Today, that narrative ends. We are looking at the 2026 arrival of the DJI Mini 6 Pro, a machine that does not just challenge the status quo. It effectively makes the need for larger, bulky professional drones obsolete for 90% of content creators. This is not just another minor update. This is the most significant leap in sub-249-gram drone history. And if you're serious about your cinematography, you need to understand exactly why this changes everything you thought you knew about drone photography. When we talk about the evolution of the Mini series, we have to address the elephant in the room, the sensor bottleneck. For years, the Mini line was synonymous with great daytime shots, but struggled as soon as the sun dipped below the horizon. The Mini 6 Pro completely dismantles this limitation. With a brand new, cutting-edge, 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, this drone captures light in ways that were previously physically impossible in such a compact chassis. The dynamic range is so vast that it rivals cinema-grade cameras that cost 3 times as much. Imagine flying at dusk, capturing the transition from golden hour to the deep blues of night, and seeing absolutely zero noise in your shadows. We are talking about raw, uncompressed 12-bit color depth that gives you the flexibility in post-production to push your color grades to the absolute limit. This is the difference between a hobbyist shot and a broadcast-quality production. But raw hardware is only half the story. The intelligence inside the Mini 6 Pro is where the real magic happens. DJI has implemented an entirely new neural engine for object tracking and obstacle avoidance that operates in real time with zero latency. While older models relied on basic algorithms that could be tricked by complex environments, the 6 Pro uses a full omnidirectional sensing system paired with AI-driven predictive flight paths. It doesn't just see the tree, it understands the movement of the branches. It can navigate through dense forests or complex urban landscapes while keeping your subject locked in the center of the frame with surgical precision. For a solo creator, this is the equivalent of having a professional drone pilot flying alongside you, ensuring that you never miss a shot, regardless of how challenging the environment becomes. Let us discuss the flight experience itself. The aerodynamics of the Mini 6 Pro have been completely overhauled. Engineers have redesigned the propellers and the motor housing to reduce drag and, more importantly, to significantly cut down on noise. This is the quietest drone DJI has ever built, allowing you to capture footage in sensitive areas without drawing unwanted attention. At the same time, the wind resistance has been boosted to handle gusts that would have grounded previous versions. You can now confidently take your drone to the coast, high altitudes, or mountain passes, knowing that the platform is rock solid. The stability is simply unreal. Even in turbulent conditions, your footage remains butter smooth, eliminating the need for aggressive post-stabilization that often crops into your frame and destroys resolution. Battery life is always the biggest pain point for drone operators. We have all been there. You get to the perfect location, you set up the shot, and just as the light hits the right angle, the low battery warning starts screaming at you. The Mini 6 Pro introduces a new high-density battery architecture that pushes flight time beyond the 45-minute threshold. This is a game changer. It means you can spend more time scouting, more time positioning, and more time getting the perfect take without the constant anxiety of a return-to-home sequence. When you combine this with the fast-charging capability of the new dock, you can cycle through a full day of shooting with minimal downtime. It fundamentally changes your workflow, turning drone operation from a stressful sprint into a calculated, creative process. Connectivity and signal reliability have also received a major overhaul. With the integration of O4T transmission technology, the Mini 6 Pro maintains a crystal-clear 1080p live feed at distances that defy logic. Whether you're navigating through concrete-heavy city centers or flying across vast, open landscapes. The connection remains tethered to your controller like a physical wire. The video transmission is so stable that you can fly with complete confidence even when the drone is completely out of your line of sight. This reliability is what separates a professional tool from a toy. You're not just flying a camera, you're operating an extension of your own eyes, and the latency is so low that it feels like you are sitting in the pilot's seat. Finally, consider the ecosystem. The Mini 6 Pro is not an isolated product. It is the cornerstone of a much larger, integrated creative system. With native support for the latest generation of remote controllers and seamless integration with your existing editing software, the footage from this drone slides directly into your workflow. The color science has been calibrated to match DJI's higher-end cinema lines, meaning you can mix and match footage between the Mini 6 Pro and a larger rig without having to spend hours on tedious color matching. This is the drone that will define the next 3 years of content creation. It is the tool that allows you to capture big-budget cinematic results from a bag that fits in your jacket pocket. We are witnessing the democratization of high-end aerial cinematography, and the Mini 6 Pro is the primary catalyst for that shift. Whether you're a veteran cinematographer looking to downsize your kit or a newcomer wanting to start with the absolute best, this is the benchmark for 2026.